Alright, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be taking a Bitcoin trade. It's going to be one that most likely triggers while I am asleep. So let me walk you through the thought process and plan here. Obviously, massive dump in Bitcoin. I did short the top here yesterday at 44,600. Sadly, I closed out this trade for a $2,300 profit right here. So that was pathetic. Okay, and would I have had just held this short from yesterday down to here, I would have probably made around $20,000-$30,000. Instead, I only made $2,300. Once again, I'll emphasize that was pathetic. So today, we come back to nail it better, hopefully this time. Okay, I mean we did get the perfect entry. Like I said, we shorted here at 44.6, 200 points off the top. And then we took profits here. Had we just held, like I said, we would have been looking beautiful, and we wouldn't have to enter the trade down here. It disgusts me to have to short down here when I shorted it literally yesterday up here, but it is what it is, right? So the plan at this point, my friends, is to follow the Telegram alert that I have sent out to our Telegram channel today, which is the first entry is going to be the 50 EMA on a 15-minute time frame, the purple line here. So first entry, let's go to the 50 EMA on a purple line. So this purple line is coming down, and it's going to continue coming down. So I'm going to say at 40,952 or 40,930, I want a limit order. Okay, so 40,930 is going to be my first limit order. And we need to go to the BTC USD margin. Okay, 40,930 will be our first limit order. And we'll short some Bitcoin there. Okay, let's go down to a 10x leverage, and let's go right here. All right, so we got a limit order set there. Okay, our next limit order is going to be set on my second short entry that I've alerted our Telegram channel, which is, let's see here, short entry number 2 is that green line around 41,600-ish. Which is this right here, this green line I was talking about in my alert that I sent out. Okay, so a bounce to 41,600 is another entry we'd like. So I'm going to set a limit order at 41,600. And we're going to short some there as well. Okay, I don't think we'll get there, but it's nice to have that. Actually, that's really probably not going to get filled. Okay, but I mean, it's possible. So then we're going to short some probably very, very soon, okay? But ideally, I'd love a bounce to that purple line, right? This purple line is going to be the line to short, which I know a lot of you don't even understand. How is this purple line going to be the one to short? It just is what it is, guys. All right. So those are the two limit orders we've set for now, and we're not going to be trading with a massive position today. Let's see here. I mean, I think that's it, really. It's as simple as following my alert in the Telegram channel. Like, that's literally it. Okay, you set your limit orders, like I said, or I'm just copying what I said in the Telegram. So I set my limit orders, and I'm pretty much going to go to sleep. Only thing is, I might add another entry here soon on the short side, like maybe now, like maybe get some now. Let's go ahead and short just a little bit now. Like, let's just short 1,000 contracts, you know, limit order set 40,661. Let's set that at 700. 40,700. Okay, let's short 1,000 contracts there. All right, so those would be our limit orders. So our main two limit orders that are likely to get filled are these two right here at 40,700 and 40,930. And that's it. We're gonna go to sleep. It's around 10:30 at night for me. And whether they get filled or not, it's out of our control. We're just going to let the charts do their thing. We're going to trust the game plan that I've laid out here in the Telegram channel. And that's it. Come back and hopefully make some money.
6 hours later.
Alright, so guys, that was really easy. Waking up here, and the stock market is going to be opening soon. And we had our limit order set right here at the purple EMA. Right? And boom. What did I tell you? That purple EMA. I said, don't ask why, don't ask how, just know, all right? And what do? We were here last night, or 5 hours ago, before I went to sleep. Right here, came back up, boom, hit that purple EMA, and dropped. Just easy. Easy. So update here, guys. Checking in a few hours later. We're only up 2,300. We were up as much as around $5,000 here at 39.3. Around it $5,000 ish. So we've seen about half of the profits we once had disappear. But remember, it's all fake money. You know, it's not real unless you lock it in, right? So to me, I don't even think like, oh, well, I missed out on someone. No, it's like I never had that money. Okay, just because I could have doesn't mean I ever did have that money or ever would have, right? And so we're sticking to the plan, and the trade is looking solid here. You can see this earlier here in the alerts. We were up 4 grand. Let's see. I mean, we're looking good. The only thing is it's a little awkward today because, for example, you can see stocks are dumping off, NASDAQ is dumping off, VIX is rising sharply, and then Bitcoin is actually holding and going higher a little here at this bottom level of 40K. You can see they want to hold it at 40K, and so it's just been a volatile ride where, look at this, so they dump it and then they pump it all the way up, dump it and then they pump it all the way back up. And so you just got to realize that when you give back some of the profits, like because you didn't realize them down here, it's like it's a volatile market. You know what I mean? It'll probably come back down, and I mean obviously the whole reason we hold is because we think we'll come much lower. Because if you look at the chart, okay, this 39,600 level is the last level we need to break. Okay, and I've told our alerts that 36,000 is what we have our sights set on, right? Okay, so I think we can get down to 36K within a week. The weekend coming up, that could slow it down though, right? So, this is the last level. Check this out. If we zoom out here on this trade, you can see it. That's the last level. After that, okay, I guess you could say maybe these highs right here at 38, 39,000 are support levels maybe. So maybe this is like one more support level here. Okay, but besides that, okay, this is for the most part, like, we break this, we head down to 36K, right? So it's like this zone is very contested, and that's why I think we see so much volatility and so much support down here. But, once again, you look at the overall conditions, VIX continues to rise, stocks continue to dump, and Bitcoin is doing better than stocks in the VIX right now at this current moment in time, but overall, the pressure is likely to fold Bitcoin along with it as well. You see what I mean? And so that's why I don't fall for it necessarily right now. And that's why we hold for the greater good here, because very, 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 very close. Now, if we get the feeling that, you know what, we cannot break lower, maybe you want to take profit, right? But with the way things are selling, I think it's smart to hold for now. Okay, because we're very, very close to breaking through that, and then 36K is the next target, which obviously we get to 36K on the position. I think we're making 15K or something, nothing crazy. This is a small position. You can see I only put $15,000 in it short. We're playing very small and conservative here. 37.67 entry price, 48.48, down to 36,000. We'll make around 18 grand, right? So it's a big difference, 18 grand and 2,000, and all it comes down to is this contested zone. We break that contested zone, then we're making 18,000. You know what I mean? It's really that simple. Now, here's the thing. Today is Friday, and with the weekend coming up, it's very possible that we don't break through here, and then guess what? The weekend's slow, so then guess what? We'll probably go sideways for a few days. Then Monday will probably be bullish. Tuesday will probably be bullish. Thursday or Wednesday probably nothing, and then I bet you Thursday it starts dumping again. So that's the annoying thing, is it could be like a while if we don't break through this weekend, like now, this Friday-ish, right, at the closing hours and closing end of this weekend, then it could be a few more days before it could fuck around, go sideways, bounce up a little, before finally breaking through this contested area. You see? So I would like it to drop today. I would like it to just break through the contested zone. But these guys don't want to let it happen right now. So, we'll see. We'll see, and we'll just react to what the market gives us. If we get the feeling that, you know what, it doesn't look like we're going to break it in time this weekend and Friday, then we'll probably get out and look to short on ultimate breakthrough later, maybe next week. You see what I mean? Because that's just how the market moves. Also, it's kind of cool. Look at this drawing I just made. See, I wasn't even paying attention to this, but you can kind of see it. It's almost like a head and shoulders, almost, right? Kinda. You see that? See, and so that's the cool thing, because I wasn't even trying to do this head and shoulders. I was just feeling the price movement and drawing the future, or what I kind of felt through the charts. And so it's kind of cool. What I just drew, I had no idea. It just actually showed up and popped up to me. Like a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? And look at this double top pattern in the head. Okay, zoom out, guys. Patterns repeat. This is actually pretty incredible. This is pretty incredible. Look at this, right? Double top pattern right here in that head, right? Shoulder, shoulder. See that? So double top in the head, double shoulder right there. Okay, look at that. That's pretty freaking awesome, dude. And so that's why charts are just amazing, dude. It's so fascinating. Look at that. See that? Double top in the head, shoulder, shoulder, breakdown, obviously much lower, just like we saw in this example. Now, we may not even get that head and shoulders. I'm just making, reads and looking at what price could look like and feel like. So, I mean, it's pretty amazing, guys. This is why we love charts, right? This is why we say, I never look at the news. I know we've got some shitty stuff going on in the world today, and sadly, that's just how it is. But I am unfazed for the most part, and really not paying attention, guys. Sorry, but I think that's just the truth. I can't remember the last time I looked at the news. I mean, maybe sometimes it pops up on Twitter, but yeah. I mean, this is a really messy chart, guys. So the point is, we got this area of contest, or this contested area. If we could just break through this motherfucker, we'd be looking really good. If we can't break through, then it fucking sucks. You know what I mean? But look at this shit, Highly contested area, so it's a 50-50. Honestly, I'd say it's like, I don't know, dude. Who even cares, bro? I'm confident we'll play it decently. We may not play it perfectly, but either way, inevitably, I do believe we come for that move lower. If we can't break through the contested zone now, we'll do it later, right? So let's just trade it like that, and we'll see what the market gives us. All right, guys. I'll check back in with you later, and let's do this. All right, so guys, we're still at that 40K level. I think I'm just going to end off the video today. I've kind of laid out the game plan and honestly showed you, okay, what you need to know. And this is actually like an analysis in one. It's like an analysis and a live trade video in one, right? Because really, I've told you, we either break now, this Friday-ish, Saturday-ish time frame, through this contested area. If we don't break that, then yeah, we're probably going to fuck around for a few days and then drop lower. So that's kind of my analysis today. Yeah, what do you notice? No indicators on my charts, guys. No indicators. All right, it's like in the charts course, we teach only 3 indicators, okay? And then we teach you, it's all about divergences. Just how, like, you don't need all these indicators out there. Like, I don't get it. You know what I mean? This is what we use, and this is what works. Is either no indicators, or sometimes we'll slap on a RSI or a MACD, or we'll slap on a couple EMAs, or maybe we'll slap on accumulation distribution, which I never use accumulation distribution on crypto trading typically, but back when I traded stocks a lot, I loved using accumulation distribution. It went really well with one of our favorite strategies, one of our favorite stock shorting strategies. Made it accumulation distribution a really good divergence, but we don't see it happen too much in crypto. So really, there's like maybe 3 indicators I use, but I don't really use them much unless I need to. Like right now, it's very simple. It's all about the levels and the volume and reacting to that. Like it's a downtrend. Like it's super simple right now. And all these lines, like this is dirty. This is like a dirty chart, but it's not that complicated. Like this is. Actually, I hate having this many lines, like, because, for example, this is an imaginary line I just drew, right? That's an imaginary line I just drew, right? These are like demonstration. This is like teaching people, like, hey, point right here, right, to like teach people. So this is like a teacher chart. But like if I go to a clean chart just for trading, so it's really not much going on. Like it's very simple, guys. But you have to be able to know how to read charts, and especially not overcomplicate it. You know what I mean? If you overcomplicate it, then like, why do you have 100 indicators? You're going to get mixed signals all over the place, and you're just going to confuse yourself more than, you would if you just fucking looked at the chart without them, Everyone thinks indicators are the key. Really, your best indicator is your experience, okay, combined with the chart knowledge that we teach in the charts course. So, Highly recommend you take the charts course. There's a link for that down below this video if you want to. And obviously, I'm sure you're watching this video and you want to probably join the Telegram alerts channel. Sadly, the Telegram bot, okay, we use an automated bot that allows you to pay with crypto and join, and it's not working right now. So you can send an email. Okay, typically I would say, hey, go to crashtrading.com/crashalerts to join the Telegram. But because the bot's not working, it's not able to accept payments right now. The only way you can get in, because it's not working, right? So the only way you can get in as of now is if you send an email to tradingonfridays@protonmail.com. Okay, I will leave that down below for you. If you send an email there, we can get it sorted out. But yeah, I mean that's really the only way. You can just wait until the Telegram bot is back up and running. But for now, it's kind of closed off, I guess. So unlucky time to be watching this video or this trade if you're trying to get in, because it's not the easiest to get in right now compared to usual. We just have the bot and you join, but yeah, right now it's not working. So, all right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Up around 3K, but you know, I've kind of laid out the blueprint in the game plan here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, drop a like. Make sure you are subscribed. Highly recommend the charts course. And if you want to join the Telegram, then you know how to. The only way right now is by emailing the email I'll leave for you down below. All right, guys. But yeah, Telegram bot should be back up soon, hopefully. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye.